Welcome to this Apploye tutorial on creating and managing teams. Let's go over how to create, edit, and manage teams effectively. To start, go to the Teams tab in your Apploye dashboard. Click on +Add Team. Name your team and confirm by clicking the check mark. To add members, click the plus icon and select the employees. You can also assign a team manager under the Team Role option. You can also assign a project directly to the team by clicking +Assign a Project. Team managers can assign projects to members later if necessary. To edit team details or members, click on the team name or go to Team Details under the Actions menu. You can assign a new manager or remove members at any time. That's how you manage teams in Apploye. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials, be sure to check out our other videos.